Today I'm talking about a very serious topic, which is the murder and violence against family law professionals and what clients can do to help keep professionals safe. As many of you all know, I've been practicing family law for 20 years. My office is Patterson Moore Butler, which is north of Atlanta, and I'm the founder of the Amicable Divorce Network, which is an international organization that helps parties. In my 20 years of practice in the North Georgia area, I have known 3 colleagues to be murdered and another colleague who had her house burned down and all of her pets killed. Numerous professionals have had guns brought to their office, have received threats. I myself have received threats. I've been confronted in parking lots, and one time somebody verbally assaulted me in an Old Navy, and I still don't know why. But these things happen, and when I explain this to my clients, they're always very surprised that attorneys and guardian ad litems and other people in the family law system are the victims of violence and threats. So I wanted to talk about a few things that clients can do to at least help their family law professionals. The first is to make sure that you do explain thoroughly any history of violence in your relationship. A lot of clients are sometimes hesitant right outside the gate to let their professionals know or air their dirty laundry, and they're trying to keep things low key and not sling mud. But if there is a history of violence and threats in the relationship, do explain this to all of the professionals who are involved in your case, and so that they know that that exists and they can make decisions for you, make good recommendations for the client's safety as well as for themselves. Second is to make sure that your family law professional is aware if your spouse has any guns and continues to have access to guns, and what those guns are. And you may also want to provide a picture of your spouse to the family law professional that they can have in their file. Third is to make sure that your family law professional knows of any changes in behavior of your spouse during the course of the case, any issue that causes you concern, escalated threats and violence, and anything of that nature. I have often found out weeks after the fact that the police have been called or threats have been made in one of my cases, and these are things that your family law professional needs to know in real time so that they can make decisions for themselves and for the safety of their staff. This is a very serious issue, and I hate to be a Debbie Downer getting into the holidays, but January we see a huge spike in cases, and it's important for everybody to be on the same side to keep everybody safe in family law cases.